Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Gmail message blockade. So first go to settings. After that scroll down and then go to apps. Now search the Gmail, open it. Now scroll down and then go to storage. Now clear cache and then click on clear data and then click on delete. Click on back, click on battery and then click on optimized, back and then click on notification, click on enable it, back and then permission, just give the all permission, click on back. Installed unknown apps, just click on that and then just click on enable it and then go to Play Store and update the Gmail app if update available, and finally restart your phone. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.